Hi, third grade families. We have made it to Friday, April 17th, and the conclusion to week 3 of our online schooling. You guys are doing a fabulous job. We are very proud of you all, and keep up the great work. I know amazing things are happening at your household. For today, come on down to Language Arts, and for Friday, go ahead and go back if you need to and either reread the story or listen to the story. You can also review your vocabulary cards from Monday if you need to before you take your vocab quiz and your comprehension quiz right here. You guys are doing a great job taking those quizzes, and we are loving seeing your results come in from those. You may also click on the same Family Connections page we had yesterday, page 1 or 2, and pick another activity that you can do at home with your family. And then for math today, we added an extra reteach page here for lesson 2 in case you need a little quick review. You don't have to complete this one. It's got a good little chart here if you want to just keep the chart and look at it. If you feel like you need the extra review, you can practice describing and identifying each one of these polygons down below. Remember, this one's not a polygon because it's not a closed figure. It has an open side to it. And then for your actual math work for today, you're going to be doing lesson 2, my homework page. And that's right here. You're going to be going over polygons and talking about the number of sides and angles and what the polygon's called. Down here, you're going to identify the different polygons that it's pointing to. And then a couple problem-solving questions and a quick vocab check down below for you. And then when you're finished with that, there's an answer key right there that you can check your answers to. And then also, we would love for you to just go back, review, and practice those multiplication facts. Any of your facts from 0 to 12, you can make flashcards. You can do it by rolling dice and multiplying the numbers you roll. You could use decks of cards and play like a multiplication war. You can quiz a family member. Whatever you want to do, any tool you want to use, just stay fresh on those multiplication facts. Make sure you're getting lots of practice in. It'll really help you when you come back for 4th grade in the fall. And that is our learning for Friday, April 17th. As always, we have the extra learning opportunities with extra stories and science. And then down here, Greenbush has some extra science for you as well if you'd like to check it out. Have a fabulous weekend. I hope you get to get outdoors and do something fun. See you later.